Alright guys, here's the next practice set after multiplying binomials. And these are actually the cool ones if you don't know. It's really the difference of two squares and multiplying them together. Anyways, let's get started. So, I clicked on the next pencil mark there, basically, the next pencil button. And this is what I got. Multiplying difference of two squares. So, how am I going to do this here again? Why don't we just use a box in case you don't know how it works. And I'm going to do x plus 5 and x minus 5 across the top, right? And let's just go ahead and do it. X times x is x squared, right? X times 5 is 5x. Minus 5 times x is minus 5x. And minus 5 times 5 is minus 25. And by the way, guys, if I'm going a little too fast, just pause the darn video. Don't forget you have that power to rewind and pause. Okay? But anyways, finishing up, do you agree? My answer is going to be x squared. Remember to use that button to do the square with, right? And notice how the 5 and the minus 5x cancel out to 0. It's going to happen basically every time on these. And at the end, notice I have a minus 25. And I will just click check. I get my congratulations again, right? And that's basically all you're doing in this section, guys. Come on, let's be honest. This is not that hard to do. Now, let's look at the next one. Get a little bit larger there. So, notice how this one's backwards, and they're going to want it most likely in standard form. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to set up my box. 7 plus x. 7 minus x across the top. I know 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times minus x is minus 7x. 7 times x is positive 7x. Watch your signs. And of course, x times minus x is minus x squared, or negative x squared. So they want it in standard form, so we're going to start with negative x squared, right? Notice how the 7x and minus 7x cancel out to 0. And the only thing left is plus 49. Click check, you got it right. Okay? Let's do at least one more of these. So let's take a look at this one right here. Again, we're going to set up the box. We got 3x plus 7 down one side. 3x minus 7 across the top. So 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3x times minus 7 is minus 21x. 3x times 7 is 21x. And minus 7 times 7 is minus 49. So, assuming they want in standard form, that's always a good assumption. We're going to do 9x squared. Notice the 21 minus 21 makes 0. X again. So the only thing left is minus 49. We click check and we get it right. Okay, guys. So, you know what? I'm going to shorten my video by skipping this problem here, if that's okay. The computer pretty much generates different problems, different numbers, but you'll notice it does repeat itself as well. But the key thing I want to remind you on this one, guys, see how this and this are backwards, the numbers are first. So after you're done, make sure you put it in standard form, okay? But anyways, now that I'm done with this one, we now move on to this one, right? And once I'm done with this one, we go to our notes, which also has a few little extra practice problems in there as well. Again, skip these videos, guys. Unless you really want to, go ahead and skip them. All right? So anyways, guys, this video came out a little bit shorter, thank God, compared to the last several. I'm trying to keep them as short as possible, but yet still be effective for you guys. All right, guys, so this is, again, multiplying difference of two squares. These are easier than the regular ones, right? I'll see you around.